In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to access and save the course files for CAS 216 Beginning Word and CAS 217 Intermediate Word from the disk that came with your textbook. We're going to save these files onto your flash drive. So first, insert the disk into your computer. And you'll get a dialog box that opens up that asks what you want to do with this disk. So what you want to click on is Open Folder to view files. This opens up a Windows Explorer window that shows me everything that's on this DVD. I know that I'm working with the DVD because on the left-hand side of my screen under the computer icon, the DVD drive is selected. Also at the top of my screen, DVD drive is also selected. And here on the main part of my screen are all the files that are on this DVD. So what I want to do is simply select all of these files and then copy them. To select them all, I'm just going to hold down the Control and then the A button. And all of my files are highlighted. At this point, I'm going to hold down the Control and the C button to copy these files. Now I simply need to paste them to my flash drive. So I'm going to insert my flash drive into USB port on my computer. And I get another dialog box that comes up that says, what do you want to do with the files on your flash drive? And again, I'm going to click on Open Folder to view files. I get a new Windows Explorer dialog box that opens up. My other one is still open, and I can tell this because when I hover over my Windows Explorer icon in the taskbar, I have two screen thumbnails that show up. The one on the left is for my DVD drive. The one on the right is for my flash drive, and I just want to work with my flash drive at the moment. So I have my flash drive open, and I want to create a new folder titled CAS 216 or CAS 217, whichever course that you're in. And I'm simply going to click on the New Folder button. I get a new folder at the bottom of my list of files that are on my flash drive. The text is highlighted, which means that I can delete it and type in my new folder name right away. I recommend using all capitals and no spaces. Once you've typed in your folder name, simply hit Enter. Now I'm going to double click on that new folder name. Now that I'm in this folder, there's nothing there. It's empty. I just created it, so there shouldn't be any files. But what I'm going to do is paste the files that I just copied from my DVD. All I do is hold down the Control and V as in Victor buttons. Again, Control V as in Victor. It's going to take a little while to copy because as you can see, I have 399 items on these files. But it's okay that it takes a minute to do this. The files that you're using here go along with your textbook, and your assignments will sometimes tell you to open up one of these files and modify it. So these are files that are already created for your use so that you don't have to create every single assignment from scratch. All right, our files are now complete. Everything's been copied. And now in my flash drive, which is notated by my last name, in the 216 folder, I have all of these folders with files inside them. Make sure you properly eject your flash drive before removing it. Right-click on your flash drive name on the left-hand side of your screen and click Eject. Once you get the notification that it's safe to remove your hardware, go ahead and do so.